Hey, we're cars.
Yeah. Woohoo. Hey, check this out. Woohoo, that's gonna be a new record.
Not for long. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Now me.
Let's all go together.
Let's try the rug now, guys. Gee, it's really hard to drive and roll across the rug.
How strange.
It's like my wheels don't spin as well. Yeah, it kind of feels like the bumpiness in the rug slows me down.
Yeah, that's the way it is with carpet. Put me on a smooth surface, and I'm a lean, mean racing machine. But put me on a little carpet, and suddenly I'm as slow as Shelly the snail.
Really? As slow as Shelly?
Yeah, it's all about friction.
Friction?
Yeah, friction. Follow me. Watch this.
Whoa.
Neato! Whee! Come on, Luna. Come on, Clyde.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Whee! Woohoo! This is the best experience ever! That was so amazing!
It was so slippery and fast.
And fun. When we hit the water, it felt like my wheels weren't even touching the track anymore.
Wow, you're a smart bunch. Very observant. That's exactly right. The water lessened the friction.
So the bumpy carpet caused more friction, and we went slower, and the water lessened the friction, and we went faster.
Well done. Friction is about two things rubbing together. Just follow me and you'll understand better.
I love to slide across the floor. But a rug or a carpet is a chore. When friction is more, go so slow. When friction is less, how quickly you go. Yeah! Water makes things even better. Sliding is more fun when it's wetter. When friction is more, you go so slow. When friction is less, how fast you go.
So friction is about two things rubbing together.
You've got it.
When there's less friction, things move quickly. And when there's more friction, they move slowly. Now the water puddle again. Luna! Maybe later. Friction is tiring. I need a break. Woof. Phew. Okay, are you better? Let's go again. You know what we should do now, guys? We should put on a show for Tom and Igor and Alice all about friction. Wow! Race cars! Ladies and gentlemen, today we would like to present to you friction. Friction, you see, is what happens when two things rub together. When you roll across a bumpy surface like carpet, there's more friction, so you go slow. But when it's smooth, you go faster. Because there's less friction. Friction is about two things rubbing together. Just follow me, and you'll understand better. I love to slide across the floor. But a rug or carpet is a chore. When friction is more, you go so slow. When friction's less, how fast you go. it's more fun because it's wetter. Fantastic! Excellent job! Can we play with friction too? Yeah, come on! Ta-da! Lots of cars for everyone.
My uncle has a car just like this. It's faster than any car you've ever seen. But my mom said I have to wait till I'm older to go for a ride.
I wonder why some cars are so much faster than others. And what about animals? Why are some animals so much faster than others?